welcome to a new vlog. Today is Saturday and it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so starting this vlog a little bit late, but we had so much to do. I'm editing my last vlog that I haven't had time because the coronavirus hit us hard this week, so I've been really busy at work, and I didn't have time to edit. Today hubby is brewing some beer and I have been shopping a pair of shoes, and look, here is my new AirPods that you will see in my the vlog I'm editing now. I'm searching for them. Det är alltid sött. Now Lily is at the party and I'm gonna get her soon, and then Elvira wants to have some screen time on her iPhone, and I said no. Okay, ow! Maybe later you'll get it. Anyway, come join us. I will vlog today, the afternoon, and tomorrow. So today I'm gonna flip the camera around. We're gonna do, here is the hunt, here is like kantareller, and here is, let's see if it will focus.
Jag försökte hjälpa dig.
And here is trattkantareller. So we're gonna make a risotto in our crockpot express, and we have some basil. I don't know if we're gonna use it. We have some Charlotte onions and some rice. So now it's time to cook some dinner, and let's do that. Another day of vlogging, and the time is 10:09, and and hubby's always made some lingonberry jam, and he's also cleaning up his brewery after brewing. Hi. After brewing. Nej, klättra inte där. Don't climb. Look at this. So now I'm sitting upstairs in our little library. I call it library. It's really messy right now. Here are a lot of books. So some coffee and a new magazine. Anyway, today we have super fun stuff like doing the laundry. Felix is going to Hop and Pop, and Lily's going to a friend, and I don't know, but maybe Elvira will follow Fred and his friend to the woods. Hi.
Mama. Är du med? Kom on. Sluta då.
So before I end this vlog, I just want to share some stuff I bought this week. And I know it's not minimalistic maybe, but it was stuff I really need, or maybe not needed, but will complement my closet and my house. So let's go. Just put the camera on this tripod when I'm for the regular filming camera. First up is this. It's like a super cozy sweater, and I think it will be perfect for colder days. So really have looked on many versions of this, but they are also stitchy with wool. I really itch like this, but this was pretty comfy. I think it was just some percent of wool, and it's perfect. This one is from a brand called Kappahl. Next up, actually these are pre-loved. It's like a walking shoe with some mesh here, so it's more like summer or a spring version. But my friend sold this on Facebook, so I saw them and I grabbed them because, yeah, as you can see, they are a little bit used, but they didn't fit her, so I grabbed them for a great price. That one I like because it's recycled. If you look on the beginning on this vlog, I used my AirPods. I ended up buying the first version because I was thinking about the second version, but then it didn't come with the charging. You get a you didn't get a cord, so you couldn't charge it because you lay it on a thing that charged, and that was not included. So I got a little bit cheap, and I thought I'd go with the first version and see if I like it. Really enjoying them, so couldn't be happier. And now I'm a little bit maybe I should have bought the other one because it was a little bit better version. Oh, let's see. Oh, the camera is all. Oh, it was such a long time I filmed with the tripod. Okay, third up is, look at this. Oh, I love it. It's a bathroom rug, and it's really cozy and so, and I love it. It's for our guest toilet, and it will be perfect there. Last but not least, I bought these. This is a primer from Care Cosmetics, and it's all new. And I also bought this hairband, so when I do my makeup and stuff, so really enjoying these. Okay, that was a little shopping haul, but I'm still trying to be minimalistic, and so okay, anyway, I hope you liked this video. Give a thumbs up if you do. Haven't you subscribed already, please do click that little notification bell so you will be notified when a new video is coming up. And soon we are heading into Vlogmas, and then we will have new videos every day. Haven't decided if it will be vlogs every day, but I think maybe I will throw in some lives and maybe do some videos to mix it up. Haven't decided yet. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. And I really hope to see you soon again. So I hope you are okay and you are safe. And until next time, have a fabulous day, night or evening, wherever you are. Bye bye.